Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is VivaJ14 and today I am gonna be attempting to do an actual service bag for HVAC service guys. So let's see how I did and see if you guys like the bag. So yeah, let's get to it. First off, it's not a regular yellow bag. It's a DeWalt bag that I got from an old drill of mine back then. And yeah, this is the opening of the bag. So let's get to it. Let's see what's in there. First off, I got my climb meter, CL 312. I keep a Makita impact driver. Love this thing to bits, no lie. I keep a little measuring tape. 6 foot, 2 meters is good enough. A thermostat screwdriver. This is a multi one, so I can't even open it with one hand, but yep. Voltage tester. Love this thing. Saves your butt. And I did look at people's bag. They have a crimper and a wire stripper, so I got this particular wire stripper. This one does have the wire stripping ability and the crimping ability. Yeah. Right down here I have a channel locks 10-inch. Further down I got a headlamp. I don't even know the name of it, but it's Coast, something like that. But yeah, 500 lumens this headlamp produces. So yeah, that's pretty good for an attic or doing a service call at night. I have 2 nut drivers, 5/16 and 1/4. I wish I had magnetic nut drivers, but these are the cheapest ones. I'm trying to keep this bag under a budget if possible, except for the drill. It costs like $400, but yeah, everything I'm trying to make it as a budget for any service guys to actually get all these tools and stuff. So yeah, next, an 11-in-1 with a Schrader core removal tool. So yeah, pretty good to have. Yep. Right down here I got little PVC cutters. Love them. Right down here I got 2 sets of crescent wrenches, a 10-inch and a 6-inch. They go right there. Next I got some dikes from Milwaukee. These ones are cheaper than the Klein, so I went with these, 8-inch. Instead of buying a Malco bit, I bought this with a DeWalt switchable bit and an extension. And yeah, this gets the job done. Pretty much everything that I can get done. Yep. Right down here, I got a copper line cutter. Yep. Right down here, I got a service wrench with a service key. Love it. And right down here, I just got a Allen key, and that's it. And yeah, that's all I got in this service bag from DeWalt. So yeah, this is my take on what a service tech or what a service tech girl needs for an HVAC service call. And yeah, this is pretty much my take on it. I hope you got an idea out of this. And yeah, So yeah, if you guys got any ideas out of this video, see what tools you guys want, what tools you need, and yeah, thank you for watching today's video, and please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss a new video. And until next time, adios.